Back to this Nissan Titan here. These fenders on the inside, they're held together with some foam, which is a little odd, but obviously there's foam from the factory one that came on the truck, and then there's still foam on this. So we got to shave one of them off, and then we're going to see how we can, because they're poked out a little bit here, as you can see. And then this piece down here is bent to the outside of the truck. So I'll try and set you guys up so you guys can see what I'm doing instead. But I mean, it's nothing really. I'm gonna use a block of wood and a hammer, and we're just gonna bang this back a little bit. We'll take this fender off, and then we'll fix that a bit. We'll take the glue off from the inside of this.
You understand the promises that we I've been sitting in the corner, dressed all in black, sipping my white wine, trying to take it back. You've been running with the shadows, lost inside the night, searching for a way to make it all feel right.
So we put this headlight in and widened out this gap somehow. Push this fender back out.